Hello and welcome to the another version of Quick Learning with Joy. Today, I'm going to show you how a decision matrix can help us choose the best vendor in a supply chain environment, objectively, transparently, and with data. Imagine we have vendor A, vendor B, and vendor C. Instead of choosing based on gut feeling, price alone, or loudest opinion in the room, we use a structured tool, the decision matrix. Let's learn more about it. Now, to prepare a decision matrix, I have used some certain assumptions, and the assumptions are: I have identified which are the most critical parameters for me to judge a vendor. So few of the criteria that came up. One is cost, quality, delivery, reliability, capability and scalability, and so on. Now, if you observe, there is a number assigned to each of these parameters, and these are basically the weightages given to them. Now, using these weightages, it will be more appropriate to calculate what vendor weighs where. So now let's take a look at some of the vendors. So we've got three vendors, A, B, and C. Now these vendors, we have kind of categorized them. In the column side, you see the quality, cost, delivery, and so all the parameters that we have identified here are listed. Now, basis the actual data, we have ranked them. So cost wise, we have ranked them in a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best and 1 being the lowest. Now in this rank, I have put this guy on fifth rank, and the total point is 5 into 0.20. Now this gives me a rank or a total value of 1. Now I have used that to rank this vendor here, likewise for vendor B and C. Now the same exercise I did for quality and other parameters. Now at the end, here is the total weighted score that I received for this exercise. Right, just in a second. Yeah, so here is the total score that I received for this particular weighted score for this particular table exercise. Now out of these, if you look at it, you'll find that vendor B is the winner with the best score of 5.15. So, and this is because of various parameters. Now just to check the hypothesis if it really looks good, what I've also done is I've put them in a heat map. Now this heat map gives you a depiction of where exactly each of these vendors stand. So this is A, and you got B, and you got C. So now if you look at this particular group alone, you'll find that these vendor, this one, right, all the way up to here is giving you a very good confidence that this guy is a more stable and suitable guy for the job, given all the identified parameters that we have selected. Now with this, you are more certain to highlight or appoint a vendor which will be most suitable for the job that you have posted. Now that is pretty much that we can use. There are various other tools that can be used to identify or do a decision matrix like this. We'll talk about another one which is called Pew Matrix in our next video.